This is a multimedia messaging service file. It's an old picture message format. Modern smartphones handle this automatically, but if you have the raw file on PC, you need a Nokia or Sony Ericsson suite to view it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's find the viewer. Keep your expectations high for the final step. We will introduce you to the single utility that makes troubleshooting the MMS format and dozens of others obsolete. An MMS file represents a multimedia messaging service message, commonly used on mobile phones to send messages containing text, images, audio, and video content. MMS messages extend the capabilities of SMS, short message service, by allowing richer media formats to be included in the communication. MMS messages are structured according to the 3GPP standards, using a combination of SMIL, Synchronized Multimedia Integration Language, and various media encoding formats. The MMS file typically contains headers specifying the sender, recipient, subject, and content type, along with the actual multimedia data encoded in formats like JPEG, GIF, MP3, or MP4. To avoid file association errors with MMS, start with Mobile Messaging Application. Windows needs confirmation from specialized software for safe data access. Windows can play back video content, but shot adjustments require editing tools. Let's start the elimination process. Right-click your MMS file, then click Open With. Try Mobile Messaging Application first, and if that fails, immediately test the next application in the list. If the MMS file won't open, don't panic. We've isolated the failure to one of 3 common causes. Here's a concise breakdown of the most likely culprits and the specific action required to check them. First, use Phone Client. Open the file using the original phone's message client or Nokia Suite Smart Switch to view the message. Next, check format. If the file is part of a backup, use the associated backup software's restore function. Finally, convert to EML JPG. Use a conversion utility to export the file as a universal format like .eml or JPG. When every program rejects your MMS file, it is often a victim of naming overlap where multiple proprietary formats share the same extension. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Skip the hassle. The professional solution is FileMagic. It's a universal opener for the MMS format and more. Get it at filemagic.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like. Don't forget the quick fix steps we covered.